like you not the boy who in the pictures, like, but I'm still being nice at the heart, like.
Flex, my bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby. Woo back, baby. Yeah. Let me see some. Okay. Okay. Look, you cannot say pop and forget the smoke. I'm from the floors where niggas talk. They couldn't be cribs, so they turn folk. Driving through the veil, dropping a joke. I gotta laugh to these niggas jokes. Dread like, who these niggas? Who these niggas? I don't know.
Oh, it's on. It's on. We here. Chicken do soup in it here. Period. Now, what's good, YouTube? It's your girl Bree, but please call me Monet. As you can see in the YouTube channel, it's Monet. That's on period. As you can see, I left my Instagram, my Snap, all in a little intro. On God, but like, I got 5 things for you guys to do. Like it's quarantine time. It's boring outside. You open out and be in the lounge, my girls. Like, for me, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Like, for me, but like, 5 things I let y'all do is like, comment, subscribe, push that bell button for post notifications. I will be dropping videos. Probably drop videos every other week or every week, if not every week. Definitely every week. I'll try to do that for y'all. It's hot. I'm hot. I just got the shower. Trying to get cute for this video, you know. But yeah, and last but not least, like, guys, when you go outside, like, I need y'all to do me one favor when you go outside. When you go outside, do me one favor, like, wear a mask, wear gloves, and purchase your Girl Lip scrubs. Period. Poo. For me, I got 3 flavors for you guys, and that's mint. For me, I got 3 flavors for you guys, and that's mint, honey, and lemon. Or it's to the tea. Oh God, I will post people reviews in this video. Probably the video, if not, like, I gotta get permission, because, you know, I don't want to be just post people's faces and they be like, nah, I look ugly, girl. But yeah, like, I'll definitely put the little reviews in this video. I got y'all. But yeah, so people typically ask me questions about my lip scrubs. Do it expire? What does it does? Like, how much it costs? X, Y, and Z. So why not get into it? Like, why not tell y'all from word of mouth? CEO, like, why not tell y'all word of mouth for me? Like, for me, before I get into this little catfish video, this is how my lip scrub look. It comes with like 2 little spatulas. If you can see that, it comes with my thank you purchasing card, my business card, and I'm ghetto. I have no labels yet, so I wrote like what flavor it is. This is the honey in my hand. This is how it looks, or whatever. This is how it looks. People typically ask me what it does. So the honey one is like really for brightening your lips. People that, you know, out there that smoke, may have smoke, or, you know, people that just was like not taking care of their lips. The honey one does exfoliate and brightens your lips. Oh God, I would not disappoint you with that. The mint one is like Blistex, my favorite one to use. Oh my God, I love that one. Mint is like forever. It moves dead skin. It soothes your skin. It softens your skin. It just feel like love. Like, like, I don't know what else to say. Like, it feel like love. Like, period. Lemon, I just launched lemon like last week or 2 weeks ago. I'm not for sure exactly, but I just launched lemon. I just used the lemon one today when I got the shower. I have to tell you, I'm amazed. Look at my lips. Well, I got like a little lipstick on, but like, if you know me, like, come on, like, my lips look good. My lips is nice and pink, whatever. Period. But yeah, like, I got that popping or whatever. That's what I got going on. I have a website for it. I will leave it down below description box. My website, my Instagram for it, everything for it, because at the end of the day, it's like you in the house boy. Why not purchase some lip scrubs for me? Like, I shipped them out. You either pick them up. I may drop them off depending on the location you at and where you act, because a girl not be traveling that far. But for me, like I can't travel right now because quarantine. Like, can't be outside catching that corona. Like, that corona not for everybody. Like, that's what I'm saying. Stay in the house, because I need to go outside. Outside need to open. I need to have my little hookah stick, my girls. Like, stay inside. Like, if I could write that down for y'all, big letters, bold, I would do it. Stay inside. Like, period. Because you do not want to be that cough. That's not cute. Like, this is killing everybody. Like, I typically lost a couple people from this, and it's just like, you know, like, it's nothing to play with. Like, just stay in the house. For me, that's all. But like, here's a little about me that everybody been asking. So I'm just gonna read it off this little book. I was having questions, you know, it's ghetto, but I'm from the hood. So one question was, why did I choose my name as Monet? Okay, so a long story behind this name. Like, for me, I'm gonna tell y'all anyway, because y'all my girls, y'all my niggas, y'all my fans, y'all my supporters. Like, I support y'all, y'all support me, like, period. So the reason why I chose that name is y'all about to be weak. Because, like, I just was like, I was like in school, and I had my first boyfriend in school, and he used to always get my middle name confused, like, with my first name. He be like, Bree Monet. So I be like, what? So, like, my mother's name is Monique, so, like, Bree Monique. So I just changed it up a little bit, like, Monet. Like, I don't know, it's just hard to explain. You just gotta, like, know, like, I guess. But yeah, how old am I? I am 23, like Jordan. You feel me? Like, I just turned 23 February. Before the Corona even started, like, for me, I was excited, like, but I had the time of my life celebrating. I'm posting a couple pictures in this video. And my girls turning up. I was lit, like, on God, I was lit. Facts. Yo, I was so lit, bro. It was not even funny. Like, another question, are you single? If not, can you meet your boyfriend? I am single. Boo. Like, but I don't have no problem being single, because as you can see, I'm doing my thing. I've been handling my business. I've been supporting my friends, talking to my friends more, like, collabing with my friends more, doing my business, and spend time with my family. Like, I really be looking at my phone now. I just been chilling, like, so I'm not mad that I'm single, but, like, it's boring though, like, cause my friends all cuffed up in the house, chilled up, paid up on the phone, like, whatever. That's about it with this little questionnaire thingy, because I'm about to get into this video when I catfish in the hood part 1, like, period. If you want a part 2, let me know. But, like, let me tell y'all a little story. I'm not gonna please them. No more. No, gotta get another one. Don't worry, I got the one text, sweetie. I mean, you can't be out here thirsty, like, mouth dry thirst. No, tastes good, like that. Oh, one more thing. People always ask me on my snaps, what kind of lashes you got on? What kind of lashes you got on? What kind of lashes you got on? Who did your lashes? What kind of lashes you got on? Who did your lashes? Who did your lashes? Who your lashes? Who did your lashes? My friend sell lashes. Her name is Kelly. This is how the little box came in that I got like 3 pairs in this one. I got one on right now. She don't have no name for them. Her business card or whatever, her Instagram, I will definitely leave it down below once I get the link and everything. Definitely leave it down below. I love them. I use all of them so far. I have like 2 more pairs. There came another one. I used this one yesterday. If you saw my snap on Mother's Day, I had this one on yesterday. And that's really it. I think I'm done. Oh, and it came in this little package too, like, you know, shit them out in this package. They gave me this package, and the package came with a little spoolie. Girl, these are real hairs. You gotta brush them. You don't know gnats. You gotta brush them bad boys. Make it look cute. Alright. Which I've been waiting for. I probably skipped a little bit to get to the story time, but don't do that. Watch my story time. Don't skip no video. Like, you kidding me? Alright. So basically, what you probably hear in the background is a little video, little music, cause you know you can't play no hood music, no track, cause I'm gonna get copyrighted and I'm broke. Girl, I'm broke. No, I like Fetty Wap in the eye. No. But anyways, so let's take it back where it all started. I got catfished in the freaking hood, part 1. Like I said before. I said that before? Yeah, I said that before. Took it to myself, retarded. No. Alright, so what happened? Alright, so it kind of old. I gotta remember. Oh yeah, okay. So I was in like 9th grade, I believe. 9th grade. I was a freshman in high school. I went to Jack. Everybody know about Jack. If you don't know about Jack, then you're not with Jack. Jack is like another man, like fighting, all that. Jack is like Jack, I guess. So I was in school, whatever. I was talking to this boy on Facebook. Like, we was talking for like a minute. Like, if you know about Facebook, you know about like everybody make a little boo on Facebook or Instagram or Snap. But I don't really think nobody really met nobody on that. I think it was like Facebook. So like, I got louder. So like, yeah, what I was saying, yeah. So I was on Facebook scrolling or whatever. I had a little message and I on my messenger, like, bling, how the sound go? Like, I'm gonna find that sound for y'all. I'm not pretty or whatever. You know, swindle little girls to get into, for me to link up, whatever. So before we even linked up, we was talking for like 3 weeks, probably. Talking, chatting, like, talking every day, every night. But like, we were talking on Messenger. Like, he would call me on Messenger all the time. Like, so I like, he was telling me how, like, you know, his phone off or whatever. Like, I didn't judge nobody. That's not my bop. I don't judge nobody. And if you don't know what bop means, that means like that's not your body. Like, you know, like that's a little snake. That's not your body. That's not my body. Like, it's not me. So he'd be like, that's not your bop. Like, you know. So no. So like he was just like hitting me up every day. Good morning, beautiful. Good night. I have fun at school. Have a good day at school. Him when you get home. Him when you lunch. Him when you free. Like, so I had gym first period. Like, I hated gym because like running in the morning out the shower was not me. Like, my gym shoe was bad. Like, and if you went to Jack, you know who my gym shoe was. It was Mr. Lee. Like, his little Chinese behind, like getting me tight. But yeah. So yeah, like. What happened? So yeah, I'm in the gym, whatever. He like, oh, can I see you today? So I'm like, dang. I'm like, let's link tomorrow, cause like I looked ugly today. I ain't gonna go outside. Like, no, he like, I bet. So the next day come, bro. Next day came mad quick. Like, I feel like, you know how like, you know, Christmas time, you're a little kid, you will see mad early, wake up, get your gifts. That was me. I was to bed mad early so I could go see him the next day. Mad early. That's why like on from 7 o'clock, like. Early at school. My mother like, why you going to sleep so early? Now I'm tired, lying. So like, yeah. So I woke up, got dressed, got mad cute, put a little lash on. My lashes was smooth. I had the little pack lashes, and I ain't no minks. We didn't do no minks back then. We had little pack lashes and the weave glue. You know what I'm talking about? Pack lashes and the weave glue. Had a little glue still on top of the eyes. Stop playing like I don't know. So yeah, we had that. We linked up, whatever. We didn't even link up yet. So next day I'm getting cute, doing my hair like, and that's before bundles existed. We had a little purple pack hair. Stop sleeping on purple pack is still good. I use that for my bob sometimes. But yeah, I had that, whatever. Getting cute, got dressed up on little sneakers, got cute. For me, so I'm like, I go to school. I can't wait to leave for 3rd period. Like, I'm leaving 3rd period. I can't wait. 3rd period, like, before 3rd period, he's like, yo, good morning. I just woke up. I'm like, I bet. Like, I'm still seeing you today. I'm like, yeah, for a fact. So I'm like, back, getting cute. Like, I'm getting mad cute. I'm in the school, like, happy. Like, can't wait to see my man after school. Yes. So 3rd period came. After 3rd period, I dipped. I left out the back door, without the side door. So he had told me to link him at McDonald's on the app. Now, if y'all know that McDonald's on the Ave is not where you want to be, like it be fights, bums, mad drama on the Ave. Like the Ave is where everybody linked up. All the schools going to the Ave. Ave was busy boy, like busy boy. So like, yeah. So he like, yeah, link on the Ave, link on the Ave, link on the Ave. Somebody I say that. I'm gonna link on the Ave, like. So we linked on the Ave, whatever. I didn't even get to see me. I'm on the Ave, waiting on the Ave, like looking dumb. Waiting on the Ave, so I'm on the Ave, like. So I'm texting like, where you at? So like he like, oh, I'm at the McDonald's. So I'm like, I'm at the McDonald's. So he like, where you at? So I'm telling him where I'm at, whatever. So I was sitting there for mad long. Can you believe boy didn't come? Boy did not come, flopped on me. If you don't know what flop means is like he didn't show up, like just flop, like, I mean tight. So I'm heated, whatever, but I'm already mad because I really like the boy. So I'm like, alright, whatever the case may be, forget it, like. And I'm not gonna say boy name because I think I still got him on Snap or something like that. I think I'm on Facebook, one of them. So we're gonna give him a fake name, DeAndre. Yo, so yeah, we're gonna give him a fake name. His name is gonna be DeAndre. So yeah, DeAndre, like, I was there. We talking about I was there. Like, I'm like, yo, you know you was not. I waited for like, man, I waited like 4 hours. Like, you know a girl was feeling for boy, you waited 4 hours. But I had to make it not look sus because I cut school. Like, feel me? So, like, if you cut school, you like, damn, I can't, like, make it look sus, like, go home early. Like, somebody bad. I played around a little bit and got him some food from the food court thingy and went home. Hopped on the footy deuce, got a crib. So, my bad. Got home, he texted me like, wow, you didn't show up. Boy, I was there, like, we talking about, like, whatever. So I'm like, let's try again on Friday. Because I couldn't come to school 2 days in a row, like, the fuck. My mother not playing that Tinder thing on my school, yo. So that school was calling me out all the time, like, leave me alone, like, let me live, like. So, boom. What happened? Oh yeah, so boom, the next day passed, whatever, okay, boom. Friday came mad quick for some reason, mad quick. So once again, got up early, getting cute, like, put the little envy lashes on, little pack lashes on. Sent me the kiss, it was a kiss, I call it kiss, I think. Put the lashes on, little weave glue. Put them bad boys on, glue still up here a little bit, trying to get it off. I mean, had a little purple pack hair in my head, got cute. Put on some sweatpants, you know. I had on I think a polo sweatsuit with some Uggs. I'm not mistaken. Polo sweatsuit, some Uggs, or Juicy Couture sweatsuit, some Uggs. It was one of them. I know I had on some Uggs. So I went to go link him at the same McDonald's. So now I'm thinking like maybe him at the other McDonald's was all the way at the end, the smaller one, or the big one. So I'm like, which one you talking about, the one question from the movie theaters? He's like, yeah, like that's what you was like yesterday. I'm like, yeah. He's like, I was there. I'm like, alright, whatever. Got there. I'm like, I'm here. Girl, like, he like, I'm here. Somebody, where you at? So he like, oh, I see you. I'm coming. So I'm like, my heart beating, getting butterflies, scared. So I'm looking down, scrolling on my phone or whatever. So I'm like this. Hold on, let me get a fake phone. So I'm like this, like put my head down like this, but I see him coming. Like, you know how that butterflies you first link at me, like you like what? No. So I'm scrolling whatever my phone, act like I'm looking at something. Mind you, I might be looking at nothing. So boy sits in front of me. He like, so you're not gonna actually gonna see me? So I'm looking like this, but I'm trying to like glance a little bit like that. Girl, can you believe this boy is not who he is in the picture? Like, who are you? Like, so I'm like this. I'm like, oh hi. I'm like just looking at him for mad long, like trying to get who you are. Like, who is this guy? Like, who are you? Like no random guy trying to talk to me. I might miss that. I said this. I might miss that with my friend to come, my little boyfriend, whatever. He like, what are you talking about? It's me. Like, so I'm like, no, not you. Looking at my head. So I'm like, so I immediately text my friend. Now I had this high school friend. I'm not gonna say her name because we're not even cool no more. We was cool until like a couple weeks ago. Like, I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm not gonna bring that up. So I texted her like, girl, like, boy, like, pick up the phone, like. So like, girl not answering me, nobody answering me. So I'm like, hey, man, I'm about to put the flake on this nigga. Like, I'm about to sit here and be with boy. Like, so I was like in my head, like, not about the looks, not about the looks, not about the looks, not about the looks. But for some reason, boy was just like not it. Like I couldn't do it. Like the crust on the lips, like he should got my lips scrubbed. Like the crust on the lips, the body shape, everything just flew me off. Like so I'm like, we walking on the abs. So now boy trying to hold my hand. Like no, you're not about to jack me on this ab. You know how many people on this ab about to see me with you? Like we're gonna talk to me after this. Like look at you, look at you. So I'm like, nah, I can't hold my hand. So I didn't even tell him he couldn't hold my hand. I just didn't hold his hand. Like, I don't care how you feel. Like, I'm not with it. Like, you not the boy who in the pictures. Like, but I'm still being nice at the heart. Like, so we went to the food court area. He wanted to sit down and talk. Because McDonald's is mad crowded and you gotta buy something to sit in it. Because that's because I was on it. Like, so like, we in there food court, whatever. So he like, oh, you look mad cute in person, da da da. So I'm like, so my black behind was like, I wish I could say the same. Yo, he looked at me like, like, So I wish I could say the same. So he like, oh, let me guess, you wonder why I look the same in the picture, da da da. So I'm like, oh yeah, now you want to bring it up? Like, we like 20 minutes in this little date. You want to bring it up now? Like, so he like, oh, I'm gonna tell you, but I can't tell you now. I feel comfortable yet. I just smack. So I'm like, alright, whatever. Like, so he bought me some food, whatever. So he don't get me wrong, he cool, like, but he just not it. Like, he wasn't my cup of tea. And back then I was just on some, nah, if you're not looking good, I can't talk to you. Like, that's how I was back then. And I should have been like, for me. So like, he like, now he moving too quick, trying to kids, trying to take him to the crib. Oh, we thought you was getting in here, like, not happening, sweetie. So I'm like, alright, boom. I'm like, yo, I'm about to go home. He like, oh, you can come to my crib if you want to. And then I drop, not drop you home, but like, I take you to the bus stop, whatever. So I'm like, nah, cause you live deep. Like, he like, oh, I feel you, cause boy living like Ozone Park or something like that. I don't even know where that's at. Where's Ozone Park? Like, I think I've been there before, but like, anyways, back then I didn't know where that's at. So I didn't know where that's at. So I'm like, I'm not going with no Ozone, like a whole different barrel, like Ozone, like. So he like, oh, here we go with the shyness, like, don't be shy. Them boys touch my chin, like this, don't be shy. Like, no, don't touch my face, sir. Like, you're not even you. Like, you don't be shy to be who you are. Like don't nobody talk to you, like. And what gets me tight, I have a biggest pet peeve, like fingernails. When your fingernails is dirty, like, my fingernails will be clean. Like, when your fingernails is dirty, that's like, ew, like, what did you do today? Like, boy, your fingernails was dirty, like. So he touched my face. I'm like, mister, don't touch my face. He like, you keep saying mister. That's my bop. Like, that's all I say is like, I mean, mister, move. Like, miss, move. Like, oh girl, oh boy. Like, no. That's how I talk. And that's just me. I'm not gonna change who I am for nobody. And that's on God. But anyways, so he like, why he keep saying mister. Like, so I'm like, you are mister. I'm like, what is your name? I'm like, so just cause I'm like, now I'm like, what's your name? Because I know his name, but like, I'm like, what's your name? Because you're not the person in the picture, so who are you? Like, so he like, oh, my name is, I'm not gonna say his name. So we're gonna keep going with the DeAndre story. So he like, yeah, DeAndre, whatever. So I'm like, he like, oh, why, what's up? So I'm like, why are you lying about who you are? He like, I told you never gonna get into that. We gonna get to something, cause I'm on this day with a whole stranger. Like, we on the phone all night, all day. I finna come see you, got my lash glue hanging off the side of my eye. Like, come on, like, you wanna tell me who you are? Like, I come to school for this. Like, hello, I'm missing a whole grade. Like, I gotta make it up in summer school. No. So he like, oh, you're rushing it. Who you talking to? You're rushing it. Like, tell me who you are. Like, so then boom, I'm done eating my food, whatever. And I'm about to go home. He like, I guess. He like, oh, you act like you easy. You act like you're not easy to get next to. Who you talking? Who you talking to? Like, I had to ask me, like, who you talking to? Like, you wanna fight? So he didn't like, you act like you're not easy to get next to. So I'm thinking like people told him something about me. So I'm like, what? Like that? Like what? Like, first of all, you don't know my bop. Like, don't. I didn't say you know my bop because back then I didn't know my no bop. But like, I was like, you don't even know who I am. Like, who you talking to? So he like, oh, you're not easy to get next to, whatever. So I'm like, here we go. So I'm like, I'm ready to go. I'm about to dip. I don't even care what you say. So I got my little bag. And the bag that I had was like the little back in the day, you know how little pocketbook you think you cute with your little grandma pocketbook that she gave you? Thinking you cute on your arm like this, thinking you cute like about to dip. So I'm about to leave it up. He got my hand like, oh, sit down and just talk. So I'm like, boy, we just talk. I'm gonna say he keep talking to you like, fuck, like I just tell you that. So he like, oh, what's your problem? So I'm like, boy, you're not who you are in the picture. So he like, oh, there goes to show that y'all females is go out for people for looks. Yes, I did go out for looks. Yes, I did. Like, what? If I can't bring you outside, not me. So boom, he like, oh, everybody could, I'm not trying to. He's like, everybody don't talk to me no more because I'm not who I am. I wasn't getting no girls when I posted my real picture. So so I didn't even know about Neve and Max, because I would have called Neve and Max from Catfish Show. Like, hello Max, like Neve, like this is not boy. Like, help me find out who I'm talking to. Like, but like it was none of that. So he's like, oh, I don't get girls alive, whatever. So I'm like, so what are you trying to tell me? Like, tell me what you gotta say. And then he just told me everything, like, and that's the end of this little story, because I'm gonna let you know what happened in part 2, because I gotta keep y'all coming. And that's on God, and that's that, and that's on period. Like, you gotta keep it coming. You can't just give them the whole tea, not the tea, nothing but the tea. Like, I'm a whole Nicki Minaj fan. You can't tell, no, I'm a purr, like, I'm out. Wait, hold on. Before I get on, let me just do that. I'm a savage, classy, bougie, fashion. I'm out. If you don't know, now you know. Oh, this way. If you don't already know, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 and more videos of your girl. I look cute. Is this for you?